Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix Hungerstation app black screen problem. So it is easy and simple, so please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, long press on Hungerstation app and now tap on app info option. Once you tap on app info, then here tap on storage usage option and now tap on clear cache, and after that tap on clear data and now okay. Now the data and cache has been cleared, so close this app and go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS, and now tap on search option in the bottom and now tap on search bar on the top and here type Hungerstation and tap on search suggestion, and here you will see update button option. So update this app to the latest version. This will fix the issue for you. So hope this video will help you. Thanks.